Whatever you do in life, never hand the key to your happiness to someone else. Don't become so dependent on another person that their slightest neglect ruins your peace, especially in your mind. If your mood is off, do something that makes you feel better. Read words that give you comfort, listen to songs that lift your spirit, make yourself a hot cup of tea. Go for a quiet walk in the soft afternoon sun, or lose yourself in a favorite book.
You're creative, let that spark keep you company. Being mature isn't about posting your weakness online or mocking others with status updates. If loneliness grips you, just sit alone in a dark room for a while. Pray, remember old memories, laugh, or cry.
Most of all, build a relationship with yourself so that in hard times, even when no one else is there, you become your own closest friend. Reward yourself for your victories. If you fail, be a little stubborn with your own heart, but never give up. And never make the mistake of searching for your value in someone else's eyes.